Welcome back to another video with Tony's phone collection. Today we're going to do 2 unboxings. These, if I remember right, came from different sellers. They did, but they both did come from Canada. I live in the US, so let's see what we got here. I know what this one is because I just ordered it not that long ago. Came in a Dorman car box, car part. That's interesting, considering I used to work at O'Reilly's. And there is some thank you card from who I bought it from, and stickers. Looky there, that's pretty interesting. Let's take a look, see what we got here. This is a BlackBerry style 9670, no battery. I have 1 or 2 of these on Sprint. I've seen this one and it didn't have a carrier. I'm trying to find an Alltel one. Being that this one came from Canada, I bet it's probably Telus. But it was worth a shot, so went and took it. And this is a Motorola Razr K1M on Telus. Telus is a CDMA carrier, so it'll be the same as the Verizon and the Alltel and the Sprint. Sprint has a different keyboard, but same concept. LCD looks good. Still has the factory sticker, it looks like, over the Motorola logo on the back. No battery. No micro SD card. No micro SD card. There's a slot for it. Charger. Here's the battery. Let's see if it has any power. And it does. LCD is broken, but that's not a big deal. I can always fix that. I have plenty of Razr parts everywhere. So I guess paper from there. Like I said, does have a charger. Throw that in there. Yeah, pretty bad LCD. It's pretty good crack too, right down the center, and then obviously the bleeding ink. But does work. Doesn't have a passcode. That is kind of nice. Low battery warning. I will have to reset it, it looks like, as well. But hope you guys enjoyed the quick little video, and stay tuned for the next one.